welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Finnegan. Now, before we get started today, I want to give a shout out to my 2 new subscribers. Now, that's 3 of you already this month, which is just, it's overwhelming with all the support. Now, for those of you watching that haven't already subscribed, I've just given my boss my 2 weeks notice, so there's going to be a lot of new content on the way. Today, I'll be showing you one of the traditional gems of the Irish culture. That's potatoes. Now, I've come across this absolute beauty at the market. And this is, as you can see, one of the red varietals. Now, what you want is to go ahead and get your pot and get that straight on. If I can just now, don't worry about it being hot. We'll get to that later. You just want to go straight in. Now, if you want to be fancy, you could give it a cut. But the part where most people really go wrong is with the seasoning. And I just used too bloody much. Now, I'm going to show you. If you can see, if I could just get the thing to focus. So that right there is just too bloody much. You only want maybe 2 or 3 of those specks for the whole pot of water. If you use too much, you lose the essence of the potato. While that's boiling away, I want to give you a little tip. Now, don't ever throw away your potato water. There's tons of uses for potato water. So let's say that you have a date at the pub with a little lass, and you just take a little bit of this and you splash it on your neck. Now, don't overdo it. This is a powerful aphrodisiac. Now, especially with the Irish women, it just drives them nuts. You can also use this as an ailment for anything from headaches to, I've even seen it work with plantar fasciitis. Put a little bit as a tonic before bed, or you splash a little bit under your tongue, but don't throw it out. Right, now back to the potato. That's looking about done. I want to just go. On second thought, I've burned my fair Irish skin. Now, once that's cooled for about an hour, we can go ahead and go in and get us a slice. As you can see, it's really cooked to perfection. Now, for the best part, we get to have us a taste.